son. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are visiting Ryan in Crownland or Wilson's Run. Alright, so stay with us and please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so Ryan, oh yeah, love so this morning, what go on? We take care of your job early. No, and I found you there today?
No, not really. I some my food and coffee and thing. What you do there?
Oh, and this are the mix. So another use it still?
Yeah, man, I use it, man.
Oh.
Put that drum there.
Alright, ready. Oh, Ryan, hold on.
Come in turn,
Morning.
You talk on your phone?
With them mouth, not in ears. But talking and listen. Road wet, Ryan.
Yeah, man, the place wet.
Boy.
Holy parade, you know? Holy parade from with here, man. All them place I know. One ballast, and you know, say, I did just want a little pass go up. Yeah, one day when I didn't get no before then father did.
Okay.
But they kinda did a Billy Road go up, you know. But I don't know why they didn't stop.
Sandrine.
Sandrine, how you do?
Oh no.
All is well?
Yes, I'm good.
Boy, the road slippery this morning, man.
But but I don't know so get bad same way, you know.
Okay. So
yeah, man, for true.
okay,
yeah, so we are walking. Come down.
them the holiday break. Oh. You come? Okay. Why am I have to focus on this road here? Because if you make one mistake, you slide, you fall.
Jalo.
No, sir. I wouldn't walk. You have to take one different side.
Yeah, for the concrete part, did you?
Okay. Right now it's no time at all. Oh, mercy. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, you start dig the pit already. Where's that?
On the right side. So look like the right side though.
Oh wow. Holy for stone. Stone land. Whoa.
Come on, you squeeze it.
Okay, for the channel.
Or a big door here too.
I know if I will sit down, I'm going to come for I will sit down, so see.
I say door for big still.
The doorway big.
The chief for door.
But
So we don't have to care about them, man.
Yeah, no problem because we'll put a jam this back, you know. After back,
but I tell you, say I saw door for big bro for sometimes you carry some little sit in a place. He can't come in because he can't door here too little. But was so good still.
I'm already 2 foot, this is more than 2 foot.
What's it, 30?
30.
28 then?
I tape yeah.
50 inside.
No, I'm not having that. Son in the film tape. 50 tape, I can't.
50 per man.
I can't use man.
50 for that.
Things on it is left tape.
50 per man.
Things on it is left it.
That's what I'm like.
8 tape on it.
If I don't lie, you're happy? I'm trying to close your eyes, so I go with that.
It's a 8.
32.
30.
31 and a half.
31 and a half.
That's a 1 foot. That's 2 foot.
Go for go. Now to take my sister.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 3 feet will I come here, so?
Yeah.
He don't be right, not true. 3 feet.
Let me say, you know, if you don't go cat back, I'm not going to put it down, you know? It's doing, you know.
It's cheap over this one.
Tony there already. Ryan, want it broader. Next time you buy one broad one, I'll move it.
I move, we put it in, so. Yeah, right, man.
Now she tell me if you bring me tape this morning, you know. You can make tape, but that's from the hardware, is it?
Yeah. We should have work with the spirit because when we have it, I say, I wonder if a 3 feet, so, you know, but we never stop to check it. We wonder. And we say, no, but we order that, you know.
Yes, that is alright.
Right. It's so good, man.
It's the way I know, when I can't come to know, I say, Martin, can't come, so I cannot put up on the dry top on it.
Cut out, yeah.
Cut it out.
Yeah.
So you better have to read it, so more than we cut it on when I can't come, I can't fit it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I would say 3 by 3 with that. The liquor that this, you know. A big window, man.
Then a 3 feet, so you have 1 feet, you have 1.5, that's 1.5 also, you know? By drying.
So 2 windows, you want to one other side, one other side?
I'll put on that, sir.
That's the 2 windows, right?
Yes, sir.
Over the side?
That side.
Oh, right here.
Right here, so yeah, right side.
Also, you can look over there. Where you look on by the way over this side.
Where my house?
Push. One coconut tree there.
So look like one put a tree.
Yeah, you will see when people come up to and call you.
You can look if no coconut there on the tree.
Yes, yes. So, yes, Ryan. So,
If I know it's a true headache and I came right now, we can't even finish with it.
oh, you have headache?
Yes, it's a mash me down, man. That's what I say, man. But I try him here for come say, you know?
Yeah.
Still have to show my face.
Yeah. Oh no, you forgot.
So you there helping my building house from day one.
Yeah.
Respect, man.
Scratch.
Yes, big up yourself.
I'm scratch.
America had a Rasta virgin now. He come this morning, now him bust up all the stone there.
Okay.
But he gonna help on virgin now. They go on 200, yeah, me saying soon. Me saying soon come still.
In the earth. Even Costa Town, I will build Costa Town, you know.
Bill what?
That's road and courts.
Oh,
Cross road.
oh.
Follow the contractor.
Yeah.
That's a good you know.
Yeah, I'll give you a number. But we can't get nobody up here for phone.
Phone them no work.
A line phone you have?
Yeah, line me up.
Oh, a line phone you have to run?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you say?
Did you sell them now up road or them apart?
No, way.
Oh, maybe that's
Anyway,
what.
everybody can't call me, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, the work is they can't call me.
Okay.
You can any style you want in a house, any pattern.
Yeah, any style and pattern.
Yeah, man, the style and pattern.
Yeah.
I read the blueprint.
You read the blueprint?
I read the blueprint. I come find it if I was a contractor.
I
Yeah.
have one blueprint. You can read it for me?
Let me see it.
You don't have any iPad. Oh, you have
On the building.
a blueprint. You have it on your phone.
Come on,
I mean, then I blueprint same way.
You're like, where my pull for?
Try to column the function, column if you have brace with that T column or anything.
You can just scroll crossway, turn it, yeah.
Okay, this is one bedroom as well. Passage. Another bedroom as well. Bathroom.
That just have
This is just, you know?
one little part.
This is just the ground part, that's right? This is steel part now. You when they get the steel working on the set.
Yeah,
That's the
see
foundation.
everything there.
Yes, that's the foundation of the room and everything and the passage of the dig and everything, you know? Yeah, so if you still have to come if you want a climber, it's a climber, it's a climber, it's a climber here. A climber if you want a climber, so you see? See the corner there?
Let me show you.
Put him on the spot, Marcel.
Put it on the spot.
Let me say something, man. Alright, no. Oh, see, I do it right here, so do it right here, so do it right here, so do it here, do it here. Yes, staircase. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 column. Yeah, me let them, man. I mean that in the man, because this is something I'm doing in a school with my father, you know.
Turn it sideways now.
But mostly with my father, you know.
So your father then know?
He died.
Oh.
In Ghana, shit eye country.
He didn't enough to take a journey.
And I say, in
His style and my style now is two totally different styles. A few days are different type of pattern. We are younger generation.
Female the pattern for your style.
Yes, I'm full like man, you know. You're a full like man, you know.
Full of style.
You know?
Yes.
So to garage pan this, where garage here? Oh, the garage. This is a bedroom.
Come on, tell that. I'm doing that.
That's not everything, you know.
Yeah, man.
Everything there. When we done the Ryan, we go through and we show you what one.
Alright, so you want to look on that.
Where's it now, Ryan?
Hey, there, man.
Yeah, stay there.
They are going to do what we can do, you know. If thanks and prayers, see the door come and one thing.
Yes. And before we get to, well, we got to it already, but so let me just use the opportunity to big up the donor. And Ryan, of course, he did know, we talked to Ryan earlier, so him know, him in on it. So you guys are just hearing. So we have one donor and she donated money so we could buy the door, the window, and these things in here. So Ryan, we never discussed these.
The lock and...
Yes, so when we did the hardware, you know, we got a lot of help. So we got the door, lock, this is what again, hinges, and the door handle, right? And you did ask us to buy this here, something here for the weed walker, right? And now these screws are for the window.
Oh,
these are for the window.
They want them for the screw, for the door, they want the box of the inches.
Yeah, for the door. Yeah.
Oh, I think I just fit in.
The window? No, you have to screw it in.
Screw it in.
But that's a feet, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And then they want them in the box after the door.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is it.
And look on the inches and all them bossy.
I get some fancy ones.
Yeah.
There's one to go outside, there's one to chop out the door.
Yeah, chop out.
Yeah.
I got all that.
So you can.
I was the one, man. I first miss them down.
I first see them too.
And them sturdy too.
Yeah.
They go right round as a matter of fact. You rotate, yeah. Okay.
Only thing when you're up in the know, they are just
15 by 15 everybody.
And it come in a 3 sets, right?
Yeah.
So just want to say a special thank you to our anonymous donor. This is she has donated already to Ryan, you know. So I want to say thank you for your continued support. God bless you richly.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, and so these are yours.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Yeah,
Needs to say thank you very much.
Guys, the minister look work.
Yeah.
Anywhere in a Jamaica.
Anywhere in Jamaica.
Yes.
Yes.
Anywhere in a Jamaica. I'm willing to go work.
Yes.
Man say make courts or crossroad.
Be the black, no make it with be the black them.
Or you
Run blocks.
or fall labor. Fall. You're not labor. You're not labor.
I probably black.
You run black.
You run. You know black can't run faster than me. Can't run faster than me, so no put down black.
Okay. Alright.
Put down black.
You put down black. Yes. When you say black can't run faster than you. Alright. Yes.
Yes, man.
I two carry parking in the garage here. Me like that one here, you know?
Okay. All right, so Ryan.
man. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate, man, and thing, man. That's it.
Yes.
Everything you do for me so far, and everything you know about for the CM, we are just really appreciate.
And we are talking.
Thank you so much. Eh?
Everybody.
Yeah, well, we are talking about everyone, man. Watch the video, who donate, who no donate, who like the video, see him, and subscribe and everything, you know.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
really appreciate everything. That's it.
So like you have one voice you can sing. That's all.
Yeah, man.
So like you can sing.
Yeah, man.
When you can sing,
Oh, wow, holy my thing,
when
man.
you can sing, say.
Yeah, put Ryan on the spot this
One
morning.
song. Every time we come here, John, one song today. You have to go out there so you can come back with me. Hey!
Yeah, no, what, man. I suppose I can do a little one, but.
No more.
So what is man?
I drink water first.
Oh,
Song, man. What
so now start to cast the floor.
Yeah, we too natural, you know?
Yeah.
We live natural.
Can see kick down?
Yeah, I say.
As I say now, we can't just come back and all that, so, you know? We're much of some story and put up like this, you know? Yeah, so it gets less material.
Take less, yeah.
Yeah. Don't back them place about come on. You say, true, we can get flow up, man, you know? If it's going to take it, instead of them,
Yeah.
yeah, man, I finish it up. And still for the bottom feel, you know? Still for the bottom. I mean, if I tie them up, we can still float it, you know?
I tell them how I tell it, man.
Okay, so we can just
Steel finishes still, so when you're ready for tile, just use thin set alone. And not, no, you're not have to chop up here.
Yeah, man, we take it back now.
I use concrete.
Concrete and
Hatch it.
We are hurrying and meat, so we must know what good for it, you know? We hatch chop it back, so that when we put on stuff on it, it can't lift up back. Yeah, many times when you put on stuff on it, lift up back. Yeah, through them not chop back.
then when you put the concrete on it.
Once you put it on smooth stuff, the smooth stuff can't hold the material. Yes, one day for come.
One day if you come.
Yeah, one day for come. Not set time, but one day for come. By the eat and anything there, lift up back. But once chop it up, hash it up, and rub off stuff on the bottom, and put it down.
You see what Sonny do? Sonny, when Sonny a deal with it, you know, you see saying he could have smooth it. He could have smooth it off, you know.
Can't give him a number to you know.
But when he deal with it, when he deal with it, he just stay so back and just cut up the same way. So you see them there. So anytime material come now, it can go cheap down in
You're ready for dress it, hold better.
So you know, do it smooth. You just use it thing and cut up it.
So I'm going to see how no material to mix up here, so really. Down the road.
I don't know road there.
The sun down the road.
So we kind of feel that way, man, you know?
Yeah, you know, well.
If you care up, so I know still and come.
Tomorrow I come finish it up, you know?
Oh, okay.
You study the same.
Today, I'm on the hell, you come on us. everything. Back off everything and done with it. So, because then you are doing it, you understand?
Yeah.
But then we can't do it long way.
Oh, yeah. So you have to go get something for that.
We look on pillar, we go to the road again.
Rasta did
Yeah, Rasta man, if you get bush.
Yeah?
That's a true still.
You don't want no pill.
That's a true still, but that's a lazy no come.
No, you can't lazy for your health.
That's a real. Thumbs up for that one.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I mean, a rich kid on Facebook.
Kid on Facebook.
Yeah, man. I mean, a rich kid, man.
Okay.
But you're a rich kid, but you're on Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook.
Oh, you say you're a rich kid on Facebook.
Yeah.
That's a your name.
No.
Oh.
The style, you know?
Alright. Yeah.
Yes, man.
Alright, Ryan.
Yeah.
Step up to the mic.
You might want to feel happy and nice.
Yeah.
Step up to the
We don't shy now, we don't know how we shy now, you know.
You shine now. Marcel put you up on the spot.
Oh, are you not ready for this yet?
So Lord, take me back to the place where you found me. It's been so hard trying to make it on my own. Then you taught me how to pray.
We know where you're trying to say. We know where you're trying to say. The Lord understands.
Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, no, I'm just here.
You sing Mary a Likkle lamb.
Alright, you have to give Ryan time so next time when you come in ready.
Yeah.
Fully ready.
You ready, you know?
Fully active.
Yeah, man.
So where you go, Rasta? How you reach out this, so where you go? Eh? I go where you go, eh?
No,
Oh, okay. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, you can sing, man, but that's true.
Okay.
And then this Rasta man named Sonny Boy, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cherry part, brother.
Okay, three Rasta man.
So the girl that go like that in pasta, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'm on the Rasta man, full of style.
Thomas.
Full of style. You come back again, nice.
Oh, you're climate, father?
Aye.
Yeah, man, in favor you.
No. Trouble now.
Yeah, I like Clemard. That it is.
Yes, I am.
But Clemard and money.
I Clemard, son.
Yeah,
Two of them.
money, that is.
Oh, okay. We know money, yeah. Okay. Alright, so
Yeah.
this is it.
Money can do that.
I still in data. So you will just find out.
Yeah, not you didn't know I say money can do
For that Clemard, I told money born, you know.
Oh. Alright, I see this now. I don't really say this I don't think, you know.
I stone them.
Yeah, yes, when you do it, you need to take up back some stone from water, yes.
Oh, if you put up here, so.
Yeah, and it just, far as you can see it, you know. See him, you see it?
Oh, this stone, the right up.
So they just take up back some stone out yes or no. So I hit make you see him, I take up back some half a veranda and I
Pull
put
out back, yes,
Okay.
if you full out back in a them place.
Welcome to my man.
Yeah, I'm just say you start to pit to Ryan.
Yeah, hey. I tell you, I go on pan it, you know.
That's how we see.
But-
You have some big stones out there, man.
Yeah, man. Also, all right. and a good amount of stone me take out a hit, you know, and throw up on the veranda. They did full out the veranda, you know. But I true me go take off back some off a hit there now. You see right that's so? Right that's so. Water come water run. Yeah, as it full. Well me did there me come up in a rain, and when me look, the whole line is so full of water. Full up to the top. Is it? You see when the rain done, and me go in a house and come up back?
No water.
I said the water what did it in place. So when me did that diggy, they kind of see one hole right or so. But me did you know I'm not even paying no mind for me. I say it don't look like he gone nowhere. You know full up.
You go do this on the right here. I think you go down to this side. Do you go down more? Down here so.
More down the side deeper.
So I make care one bus of people and have running belly then can't full it up.
Running belly in a full pit.
Yeah, full pit.
Running a belly can't full pit. So me did I say, but Sonny did I say me for dig around see me. And say we pass.
You have to dig it so wide, man. You have to dig it so wide in a big man.
You get nice when you buck up on dirt, man.
Yeah, I just start with him.
So you just a dig.
So the Hamilton, you know, so funny feel nice, you know, so dig it.
Yeah, then.
You good feet, you know?
Yeah, man, you good feet.
Yeah, good feet. But not this one that's done a good hand, yeah? Yeah,
I say.
You can dig off more down there, so.
Sink it, we'll sink it more. I want to do it, you know? And I'm only going to do it. We'll sink it some more, yeah? I'll pack it back around, yeah?
And low for that part.
And Richie tell me say things are going on, but told me I have to meet the berry.
Oh.
The grandson.
You have a grandson dead?
Yeah. You know Pansy?
No.
You don't know no Pansy back in the
Yeah, man.
You know Valerie?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So Valerie's son? Stepson?
Valerie, brother.
Oh.
That is Valerie, Likkle nephew.
Grand nephew.
Okay.
Yeah, our condolences to you and your family.
I look then lick him off a bike.
Grand nephew. I don't know grand nephew. If you call Valerie grand uncle.
Yeah, if you call my grandfather.
And call this man a grandfather.
Yeah, grandson.
When I funeral?
Maybe not get to date yet, but I'm the next day. Maybe some month.
I wish part of my burial out there.
Out of yard.
When I the grave.
The daughter not tell me how many.
So how old was he, your grandson?
25.
Oh, okay.
And what birth me funny left. You don't get to see back in face.
No come back.
No, everything. And me. I'm busy school, I'm turn up in. All years, I'm turn up in. Everything on me.
And you not see him from he leave?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Over 9 years.
Long time. Wow. Yeah.
I think I change up on me again with the bleaching business.
Put him beautiful color and down to white man. White man want to turn me. Because we're not stupid. We black, we want to come to white, he want to come to black. That's what I was stupid more. Them man have a nice complexion, man. I can spoil it up with this bleaching cream. Well, me for more than a hall of my labor guy in a bleaching cream. That in my pants gonna fit me. To my friend. I'm till I get me go. Thank God, we have not already, you know.
Thank God for Jesus, man. You know?
I love him. all of me pinch and everything gone from bleaching cream. I have a daughter now and a son. I know you don't talk about bleaching, so I just feel happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we never buy about bleaching, never buy for themselves.
Yeah.
Not the money doing those things.
Not at all.
Bleach, man.
You can't be sure you can brown already.
I want bleach in Clemart and I feel bleach at night time. One bleach in Clemart and I feel just bleach at night time. The whole night, no sleep, you know.
Before person. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, this is the biggest.
That's not my problem, man. My problem is we just finish the house.
Yeah, I got the one.
My problem.
Tomorrow morning, quick down the day,
When come for the thing,
More than you want to do that road.
Stinger, when you come for the thing tomorrow, here, just carry the sun for tonight. Come pull on food.
I can't be son and I don't man.
I never straighten up. That is because I want to do.
So I can't get somebody to help him.
You need a hard for him alone, bring it to.
I can help everything.
I'll get somebody to help you, you know? I'll get somebody to help you.
Rough.
No car now you go out, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm sure not my book. If I come with it coming, my book for tomorrow.
The book for tomorrow?
Carry son like when you have nothing else to do now. Bad carry son. I miss you down there while I'm going to carry one green. You could keep some.
He did that on his cell phone.
What I want, man.
Yeah, I know one man I come. One man I did that too.
What if I don't know we are there today or not?
No, man. I tell you, say. I man, I'm missing and tell me to come on. But right now, I don't call out so come I go take up a good plan. But me say, you better me go pick up in the evening, but you have to come on and see now to do country.
Okay.
So tomorrow the daylight,
Maybe Sunday the day you tell that car, you know. Because the man if me feel sick about the door. Next friend.
Pass that box up on the bed, give me son. See it on the bed. The box up on the
This man not crack a brother to me no one. So you know, there's not that to me make you feel.
Ryan.
Yeah. Yes, son. Oh,
Remember you have something on you?
Yeah, Marco.
Well on there. Yeah.
Anything you got to say no master.
Hey.
All right.
Almost go win out. Funny by Spanish. Almost go over Salona.
Hey,
I'll put down a road that I pick up in. You see all the chains over there, alright?
It's a funny.
Yeah.
Nice. If you can survive. If you can survive.
No, you're not bad, good.
I put so much stuff in it.
Alright guys, so
I wonder.
let me end this first and then we can talk. Alright guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Want to say before we go, special thanks again to the donor and to all the persons who have donated from the we started with Ryan up to this point. God bless you richly. For those of you who continue to support us, you know, by watching, by subscribing to the videos and so on, God bless you richly. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you for making it.
That's my
man, thank you so much, man. Really appreciate, man. Everything.
Yeah, man. All right.
Man, so.
I appreciate you also to here. I appreciate you very much.
All right. Yes.
Thank you for what you're doing here.
Yes, man. You're more than welcome.
Yeah, man.
Many more.
Yes.
How are you, sir? How are you, sir?
I must be man when I sleep.
I think we are going to help. We are going to look for him and help him. Yes, many more. We are going to look for him.
All right. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye.
You have something to say?
Yeah, give that way I do for Richie. Ryan.
So you look like you want to do something for Richie too. Yeah, I can't see him.
Now name Richie. Oh, you name Richie? Okay. All right.
I don't look it.
You don't